This is legal information, not legal advice. My name is Marlon Mormon. I'm an attorney at Des Moines, Iowa. I spent 24 years as an administrative law judge. What I want to talk about are administrative penalties and prosecution and unemployment cases. If you as a worker receive a letter or a phone call from Investigations and Recovery Department of Workforce Development, you should contact legal counsel immediately. Investigations and Recovery are there to cause overpayments, administrative penalties, and in many cases, criminal prosecution. Now, the situation is very simple. If a worker is collecting unemployment and working at the same time, they must accurately report wages earned while working. The wages should be earned from Sunday through Saturday, no other work week. You can't start, if your company happens to pay you on a Thursday, use that kind of a work week. It has to be calculated Sunday through Saturday. If you make mistakes in those get picked up on what's called a cross-match audit. And then Investigations and Recovery may take over and try to accuse you of intentionally defrauding the Workforce Development Department. It results in, the first step would be an overpayment and a 15% penalty. But if you get a call from Investigations and Recovery, you need to know your rights before you talk to them. The best time to get this under control and prevent yourself from admitting to something that isn't true, and that happens often in these cases, it's in the fact-finding hearing or in the initial investigation with an Investigations and Recovery representative. Investigations and Recovery, simply said, is a fraud department. They're not there to help you. The code section is 96.16-4, that's the 15% penalty. The second one is 96.5-8. Some administrative law judges will say that the first code section is preclusive of the second. Therefore, if found a penalty in the first, you'll get a penalty in the second, and the second one can delete an entire year of unemployment benefits. And after that, it can lead to criminal prosecution. Don't delay, don't procrastinate when you get that call or that letter. Contact counsel immediately.